I'm Ted Llewellyn, and this is my home. My son Reese is doing the recording of this video. He and I installed this unit. We replaced a unit that was 18 years old. It was a package unit, and we replaced it with a unit that was the same as the unit that we removed. Anyway, there's several reasons that we chose Ingram's Water and Air. One was the price was right, and they had free delivery. Two, they were very friendly and very informative. I had a lot of questions. They answered the questions. They sent me links to detailed information. They were really helpful. And I figured if I had any problems, I could call them and they'd guide me through the installation. The good thing about a package unit, this is a natural gas unit for heat. The furnace has a 20-year warranty. The air conditioner and all parts have a 10-year warranty. This package unit means that it's totally contained, so I didn't have to worry about refrigeration lines or Freon or having to mess with any of that. All I had to do was get the old unit out, disconnect the ductwork, disconnect the gas line and the electricity and the thermostat wire, remove the old unit, and put in the new unit. I called them on Friday, told them what I wanted, and that was after I'd had discussions on Thursday. I told them what I wanted Friday and ordered the unit and asked them if they could get it to me by the next Friday. So they got with Hewitt, actually was the freight company, and they picked it up on Monday and actually delivered it to us Friday, early afternoon, which was perfect because we were going to install it that weekend. The other thing is we wanted to get the old unit out of here, and my son had Friday off, so we could get the old unit out, get it loaded on the truck, get it actually hauled to the salvage yard where I got $35 for it, and then have the truck ready for when the big truck came here. We could slide it on my pickup, pull the pickup around here. Then we took some 2x6 boards. Because the unit weighed 595 pounds, we were a little concerned about how are we going to get that unit on this slab. But we took some 2x6 boards, 4 of them, put them on the bumper, and then to the end of this concrete, of this slab, and slid it down, and it actually worked perfect with no problem. So that went a lot better than I expected. Hooking up the ductwork, it didn't exactly fit the same ductwork, and most units, when you change them out, don't. So I had some transition ductwork made. I spent about $300 on the ductwork. I spent about a little over $2,000 on the unit. The best that I could get for a bid price to replace this unit from a contractor was $5,500. So I was a little apprehensive about, do I really need to install this unit myself? And can my son and I install it? But when you look at the incentive of saving $3,000, you think, well, even if I have a few problems, it's going to be worth it. And actually, we didn't have any problems. Once we got the unit set, I had a local contractor, sheet metal shop, make the transition pieces for me. They fit perfect. This unit sets up a little higher than the other unit. That was the biggest transition. I also had him build me a little cover over the ductwork to seal the unit to the wall and cover the ductwork and cover any holes in the wall, actually, that were between the ductwork. And this ductwork did set a little bit further apart. The supply and return were a little further apart on this unit. But once we set the unit, set the ductwork, then I connected the gas piping, which was like $30 worth of different fittings that I got at Home Depot. The wiring was the same because the size of the unit was the same. It's a 90,000 BTU furnace and a 3-ton or 36,000 air conditioner, all in one package. So all I had to do was connect the electricity to it after I did the gas pipe, and then I connected the thermostat wire. And you actually get instructions of how to wire it up with the unit. All right, this unit came on a pallet with a cardboard box around it, and that was stretch wrapped. So it was well packaged, and there was no damage to this unit when I received it. I highly recommend Ingram's Water and Air. Their phone number is 1-800-360-1569. They did a great job for us. This was an excellent experience for me and my son. So I highly recommend it.